This video tutorial I will explain how to remove Chrome extension from Google Chrome browser. Click on settings and here you can see the extensions. Click on this and here you can see the extensions which are already installed in your Chrome browser. And if you want to remove, click on remove button. And it is removed. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.